Good morning, guys. So currently I'm here at Leganes. What you're seeing right now is the direction going to Saraga, and to my right is going back to the Leganes town proper. So over here we can see a sign which is a detailed information about the Circumferencial Road 2 of Iloilo. So as you remember, we already have C1, which is I think more than 10 years ago. So this one right here is the new project, which is the C2 road. As you can see right there, it costs around 40 million, and it started February in 2021, and it is projected to finish on the 2021 of August, but of course we have the pandemic, so there is a delay. This is actually the other half, going to the other half, which is leads to somewhere in Pavia and Santa Barbara. So we will check out the other half, which is going to the coastal road, which is this one. So we will try to cross the main road. So I think this other half is, I would assume that it is finished, and will connect to the coastal road. So we'll just do a short walk along this side. As you can see, there are now already railings, and then this is I think a 4-lane highway, similar to the C1 road, but I think some parts of the C1 road are wider, but I think this is already wide enough. So I don't have the complete length of this road, but we can check out on the map. So roughly it would be if we have C1, let's say 20-kilometer road, it would be longer. Maybe in the future we will do a future update on the other half, but currently this is I think already open to the public. There are even road signs already over there, and maybe we'll do some driving tour in the future. There is no sign though on the intersection where this road leads to on the other end, but I could say this is almost finished, so maybe at least 90%. I would think earlier that this could be like a more of a radial road, but it's not. So it is a circumferential road. This is actually if we go back from where we started, the intersection over there is actually just probably at least a kilometer away. At least a kilometer away from the Leganes town or the plaza. So just a quick update, guys, on the C2 road. We will try to do some updates in the future on the other half if there are some significant updates on that side. Till the next video, guys, thank you for watching.